Okay, YouTube channel, we are back for another video. And we got Nitty in the house, out in LA. Let's go look around. They got the tiny little Kobe's here. The Venice Beach 8s right there. Then they've been having some Mitchell and that stuff on sale at some of the locations. I think all of them, but just whether they have any. See what's up. Dennis Rodman Mitchell and that shirts, haven't seen those. These bad boys going for 50 bucks, normally 60. I don't think any of this stuff is the stuff on sale. 65 instead of 80. Kobe Authentics going for 350 right here. Dang, the color's just killing me. They have all these blue lights. And 300 for the MPLS ones right here. They got all kinds of Crocs here, different teams I've never seen before. The Heat, the Warriors, the dopest one, the Lakers. These are all going for 60 bucks. Clippers and the Nets. Also got a few of the McDonald's ones. These go for a heavy premium, 75 for these bad boys. Hamburglar and then the bird. I don't know the name of the bird. Then they got the Jordan section right here. They got some of the J's right there, and then they have, I think that's the women's now. I think about women's. Then they have some of the mids, comforts, lows, and then they got some of the non-signatures over here. Luca's down to $100. This is one of the newer colorways, ain't it? Then they do have the Zion 3s. Breast cancer awareness color? I don't know. Is it? But yeah, they're here. $140 for the Zion 3s. Of course, Frank checking out all of the retros.
They got a ton of retros in the building, man. It's the first time I've ever been in Chic, and I'm kind of excited, yo. I actually found a pair of shoes I like too.
So yeah, I've showed you guys these bad boys right here. Look at this. Oh wait, it's on the bottom. It's on top. Look at this, $70. 70 bucks for these. That is crazy. 35. 135 for these right here. Of course, these have been on sale everywhere as well. What, 130? 120? 120. Dude got Frank trying on a pair over there. I haven't tried on sneakers in a while. Jordans. 150 for these bad boys. The Fear 3s on sale. Got the green glows right here. I got the 5s. I did not cover these. These just came out, I think, this past Saturday. 210 for these bad boys. But yeah, this is pretty decent. It's pretty decent. Not sure if Frank saw these out front. See if he wants to show his peeps. I saw from across the room. I was like, do they have these Leathermen? Have it on sale? Well, it's a slight sale. $225 down to $180. So these technically aren't Leathermen. I think they're corduroy. These are pretty dope though. But yeah, slight sale, not bad. This is their flagship location, though. They do have quite a lot of stuff. All the trainers right there. Air Max, all the Air Max 90s. I did see these for cheap. Should I have gotten those? Yeah, I found a reefer for hella cheap. Those aren't on sale for $130 right now. Vapor Maxes right here. Got a few of the Scorpions. Scorpions on sale? Are they on sale? Yeah, $150 for the Scorpions. These are normally what, $250, I think? This is $140. Yeah, okay. So got those right there. Do you got Forces, Cortezes right there. And I just realized they don't have any Chics out east or out south, so I think this is Frank's first visit out to Chic. And this does happen to be their flagship location, so definitely looks better than most of the other Chics he will visit. Oh, we got juked. It's on like 7:30. All right, let's check out JD. Got an hour and 15 minutes left. Got plenty of time. We're taking our time today. But yeah, these just came out. These ain't bad. I'm kind of a fan of these. Not really buying stuff right now. I have a ton of expenses. I'll explain more later this week why I haven't been buying anything lately. And I have been looking for these. Someone showed me on the Nike app that they did release these University Blue colorway of these. I freaking love these Air More Tempo slides. $85 this steep though. I'm not gonna lie, $85 this steep. Probably doesn't make any sense because I've spent $85 on other dumb stuff, but a little steep for me. Hopefully I can find one of these. Hopefully, man, Too bad the refurbished website was gone because I was able to find one of these on there. Freaking love that. But yeah, we'll see. Those are fire though. Those are fire, man. I love those. Do got the Barclays here. Have I seen this colorway? I don't know if I have. It's a pretty dope colorway. $170 for the Bulls colorway of the CB. What the CB94s? Yeah. I was talking to someone. They just referred these two as the Mexican Jordans right here. The Mexican Jordan retros. And the Latino community does love these. That fool wasn't wrong. That fool wasn't wrong. But yeah, $15 off for those. That baby blue's kind of dope. Got the powder blue 9s. Dude got the 4s. Haven't seen these at most spots, to be honest. So I don't know if they got more of these, or if they just kind of have not moved here. Most places do not have any of these anymore. But yeah, I got the 13s right here. Dude got the 5s, the 3s, 6s right here. Okay. I'm looking for the reduced track. They don't even have a reduced track here. What's going on? What the hell? What the hell? They do have a lot of sales tags. And then Duke got a bunch of sales tags. Look, got sales. But just like nothing crazy. I don't really see too much that's crazy. Nike has been really pushing these Air Max DNs. I haven't seen anybody talk about them though. I haven't seen anybody talk about this in the comment section. I know Nike's really been pushing it, but I don't know, I'm not a big fan of the look. I'm good. $160 for these bad boys right here. Got them in white and black as well. Dude got a Foot Locker. Let's look around here. Have we seen these for 80 before? Seems like a pretty freaking solid price. That's not bad. Stores have not been hitting like that, but they do got a couple LeBrons that I really don't see anywhere. The graffitis. These are the LeBron 4 graffitis. These are tanks. These are 700 pounds each. All right, maybe a slight exaggeration. And then they got, is this the beast mode? Was it beast mode one? Do got the LeBron 2s. Like I said, I'm a fan of the LeBron 2s. I think I'm the only one. But yeah, I do love the silhouette. I actually like this colorway. I like the materials and stuff like that. I don't think it works for me. I don't think I'm cool enough to pull this off, but this is pretty dope. Haven't seen these at too many spots. Still $250 though. Ain't cheap. And Duke got these as well. Haven't seen these too many spots either. And then if you guys are a fan of these look dope. Every time I see them, I'm like, these look better and better every time I see them. But yeah, if you have a chance to find these at the outlets or I think the clearance store. The clearance stores had limited colorways, but clearance store, the back wall of an outlet, we've seen these for under $100 several times. Do like the GT jumps though. Then got dunks, more dunks, even more dunks, and then even more. And then up top they got even more lows right there. Then if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, y'all know I do love the slides. The Jordan Hydros are my favorite. I'm not paying $65 for them though, but do got the Jordan 8s right there, the 8 playoff. Got the, what is this, the Lightnings? The Lightnings, $65 for those. Do got the 11 DMPs right here, the Gratitude 11 ones. Go for $65. Then we got the Bread 4s right here, aka playoff 4 Jordan Hydros right here. Okay. Summer's starting to come, so don't see any of those on sale. Dang. They do have quite a lot of sales tags. Let's run through some of the stuff that's on sale.
I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song.
Alright, those are some of the few sales items that I did see. Let's go. I think there's one more store? All right, Frank does not know about the Snoop. We need to go check out the Snoop at Skechers, dog. So I had to show Ballinonabudget the Snoop and the Skechers. Notice he doesn't have his camera out because he's like, I'm not gonna include this mess. But yeah, and then yeah, that's what I was telling him. Like Terrence Mann, I had to ask the workers because I forgot who it was. But yeah, no, I think. Oh, you're right. I think these are the different ones. These are like their budget model.
Oh, okay. The non.
Oh no, they're $152 though. Damn, $150. Yeah, that's kind of.
This look like it's a non-signature.
That's rough.
Non-signature.
But yeah, that's rough. $150 for signatures. Only how much more for the Lucas? Actually, the Lucas are cheaper. Cheaper, $130. Yeah, that's rough. That's rough, dog.
Ja Morant's is cheaper.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yep. And we know about the outlet game too. So like, yeah, that's rough. That's rough.
Is clearly cheaper.
All right, yeah, let's go. I'm tripping out because Frank's never seen C's Candy. What the heck? C's Candy, like that's a staple. That's their name, dude. That's their brand, yeah.
I don't know.
I can't believe I thought this was nationwide. Apparently not. I swear I thought this was nationwide. All right. Gonna grab one of these. For my kiddo. Lids. Some of you guys did notify me that they have 40% off. You know I gotta check it out. See what's up. They got $10 hats too. Frank is checking out the hats over there. We gotta check this out. We gotta see what's up here. Wait. Let's go way to the beginning of the medians right here. Got Chargers, polos right here. There's a Nike polo going for $53. Cowboys shirt right here, 26, 47 brand. Rams hoodie right here, 56. That is 40% off on top of that. Mexico shirt right here, Mexican national team, $23. Not bad, $23, especially with that 40% on top. Dang it, that's the mediums, that's it. Oh, Tawny shirts, we already know Tawny shirts all gonna be on sale. Of course, the Angels ones. Do got a Stafford jersey right here. No extra discounts. How do you not offer extra discount for Stafford? Really, dog? Really? Oh, he's our current quarterback, isn't he? My bad. Women's Lakers shirt right here, $24. All right, that's like mostly t-shirts and stuff like that. Oh, it's not 20% off. Or it's not 40% off this stuff. I was hoping the jerseys, but not really. But look at this. Lakers XL shorts. Look at this. Did I say shorts? XL longs right here, 80 down to $20. They got a couple of them. That's pretty fire. Yeah, the jerseys are not an additional discount. And dang nabbit. No, they're not discounted. That's $65. It's not bad. This one you get all kinds of extra gunk on this one. This little kids. Ask for a discount when you see that. But yeah, they got these. Oh, this says show 62. Yeah, that's not bad. Seen them a few times. Not an OG colorway though. Yeah, it's not the OG. That's what I'm saying. Like I like the OG. Like this stuff ain't bad. Oh, this is Sean Kemp. Got a Cavs one right here. $135 though. Dang it, not the deals I was hoping for. And dude got $10 hats right there. Like I went to the last spot and they weren't marked, so I think these are all $10. They're fitted hats, Lakers hats right here. Got these the Angels hats right here. It's a fitted, shows $20. Okay, you really gotta go through these. NBA, what the heck? Yeah, gotta go through them. Lakers hat right here. See, this one's pretty dope. 7 and 8, going for $10. Padres going for $10, and got a Lakers trucker hat right here. There's a snapback. Yeah, not seen too much, but pretty dope to see a bunch of stuff for $10. Yeah, they have stuff. You just have to kind of look for them. You got an Extreme Board Shop. There've been a ton of SB releases lately. SB Dunks, that is. I don't know. Do they have anything? I don't know. Let's find out. Shout out to Sergio, who did show us that, hey, he was able to grab a couple of these. I didn't get them on video, but look at this. 4 SB Dunks right here. 4 freaking SB Dunk lows. You serious? Wow. Dude got these. These are dope. I am a fan of these. Of course, which I'm wearing right now. And the big money savings one right here. We're looking these up because I don't know the SB stuff like that. I told you. You're gonna try to grab that one?
They got my size.
But the fact that these released yesterday.
Today.
Oh, these are today? Oh, okay. I thought it was yesterday. But yeah, dude got these right here. Only up to size 9.5, and then dude got, what's this, a Hyper Royals or something? Hyper Royals. Yeah, dude got these. Oh, I forgot they showed the sizes right here. I forgot they do that. They're pretty good about that. Oh, they did. They did have your size until not too long ago. No, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, so crazy that they do have 4 dunk lows. This one just released today. This one released like 3 days ago, I think. 2-3 days ago. And then these have been here for a bit. Pretty dope. Okay, we did talk to another customer. Yeah, these released yesterday. That's right. I thought I saw them on their Instagram earlier. The same homegirl is looking for the Royals right there. But not bad. And what I am wearing on feet, you got the SBs right here. The all black. These are clean, dude. I'm a big fan of these. You know, they do crease a little bit, but you know, it is what it is. They're not like perfect. They're not like perfect material because you throwing stuff over there, Dougie? but yeah, these ain't bad. And it was a little chilly. It's like hot as hell in here. Wearing Lakers Pro Standard pants and then black t-shirt. Didn't have his size, dang it.
Didn't have my size, but it is what it is.
But yeah, so he did check to see if he had a size 12, dang it. Yeah, they only have up to size 9. The homegirl just took the size 9.5, so they only have a 9, and then it seems like they got plenty of sizes. What'd you think, Frank? What'd you think?
Yo, I'm not mad. I'm not mad at this mall at all. Yo, it's 3 stories. The joint's been established in 1975. It's over 48 years old, creeping up on 50 years. They got a whole bunch of sneaker shops. Did I mention 3 stories?
Man, they got
a skate shop,
got
and they got 8 anchor stores.
We
not only to mention Best Buy, Target.
We got Frank the historian over here. Like this fool giving us the back info. Man, it's not bad. It's not bad. This place is one
did
of
I mention Superbad with Shot here right now?
Yeah.
I just do that because
I was telling him about Superbad right there. I was telling him I might include that in this clip. I did that I think 2-3 years ago when I came here, but yeah, it's not bad. One of the better malls to come to when on sneaker release day, because Chic usually gets plenty of stuff. They usually get plenty of stuff. So yeah, not bad. But yeah, we got plenty coming tomorrow. Make sure you guys check out Frank's channel, Ballin' on a Budget. Make sure you guys check that out. Get him to 100K, man. Y'all need a freaking sub, man. Make it sub. Make sure you guys go ahead and sub. Make sure you guys check out the channel. He does this in Florida. They got so many freaking Nike outlets out there, all within like what, a 6-7 mile radius, which is freaking crazy.
100%.
But yeah, so check his channel out. Make sure you guys help a boy, press that like button, click on that notification bell, and do all that good stuff. Whatever.
Here,
yeah, we're out, man. We're out. Whoa.
How many of you guys cop these? The Venice Beaches, the Italy Camo, and the Phillies. How many of you guys cop these for retail? That's the better question. Not how many of you guys got it. How many of you guys cop these for retail? Comment down below.
I like the Phillies one. I thought the Phillies one was the best one.
I get the camo.
You like the camo?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm good on the Venice. Dang it. You should have told me to go for your size, fool. All right. We're out, dude. We're out. See you. Damn, Frank loves this place so much. Round 2, huh? Round 2?
Round 2 and what?
Damn. Out in Inglewood? Took the homie Frank to Randy's Donuts. I was telling him this is the spot that they stopped by on Iron Man 2. And
Dope.
What was it? Dope? The movie Dope. It was also in that movie.
About Pharrell.
Oh, the Pharrell movie? Yeah, so let's see what they got. What should I eat? That's the menu right there. A bunch of stuff sold out because this is great as hell, man.
$20.
Here at Extreme Board Shop, and look at this. Are you serious? 4 different Nike SB Dunk lows. I think these are called the Hyper Royals. Man, and that is fire to be able to get SB Dunks. And they have all kinds of sizes, right? They had your size, right?
Yes, they have a size 12.
They have a size 12. Then if y'all follow my channel, I've been talking about these. Huge fan of these. White gum, pretty fire as well. Then big money savings. These are pretty fire. Got a burlap sack upper. Got rope laces. That tongue is definitely interesting as well. Got that super unique quarter panel on the side. Got that extra premium suede on that toe box right there. Pretty dope, you guys. Pretty freaking dope.